安婷。
嗨，奥利弗，好久不见。
啊，你干嘛带着雨伞呢？天气这么好。
因为下午会下雨呀。
那它为什么开着呢？
啊，它不会关的。这是我哥伦比亚的朋友送给我的。他说那边一直下雨。
那如果你的朋友是 IT 的，雨伞会打不开吗？
哎呀，那边不会有雨伞，你真傻。
哎，我想问一下，明天的天气怎么样？
明天会下雪，而且会刮风，挺厉害的。
哎呀，见到没？
怎么啦？
就是明天，我想跟我的一个老朋友去钓鱼。
没事儿。
什么意思？
鱼不怕雪，也不怕风。哎呀，你这个笨蛋，我先走了，拜拜。
再见。Hi there, I'm Oliver. Check out the website ChineseWithOliver.com. This lesson is all about the weather.
嗨，奥利弗，好久不见。
啊，你干嘛带着雨伞呢？天气这么好。
因为下午会下雨呀。
那他为 She says, 好久不见, long time no see. I ask her, 你干嘛带着雨伞呢？你干嘛? That means, what on earth are you doing? It's very informal. 带, that means to carry or take along. 雨, that means rain, as a noun. And 雨伞, that is an umbrella. 你干嘛带着雨伞呢? Why on earth are you carrying an umbrella? 天气这么好。天气, that means weather. These two words, 这么 and 那么, before an adjective, they mean so. For example, so good. If something is nearby, for example the weather, then you say 这么好. If it is very cold, somewhere far away, then you can say so cold, 那么冷. She replies, 因为下午会下雨啊. Because 下午, it will 下雨. 下午 means afternoon. Here we see the noun rain again, 雨. 下雨 means the rain going down, or in English simply the verb to rain. 因为下午会下雨啊, because in the afternoon it will rain.
嗨，奥利弗，好久不见。
啊，你干嘛带着雨伞呢？天气这么好。
因为下午会下雨呀。
那它为什么开着呢？
啊，它不会关的。这是我哥。
I ask, 那它为什么开着呢? Well, why, 开着. 开 means to open, or in this case, to be open. 它不会关的. It cannot 关. 关 means to close, or in this case, to be closed.
会下雨呀。
那它为什么开着呢？
啊，它不会关的。这是我哥伦比亚的朋友送给我的。他说那边一直下雨。
Then she says, 这是我哥伦比亚的朋友送给我的. This is my from Colombia friend 送给 me. Colombia, that means Colombia. 送给, that means to give as a present. 这是我哥伦比亚的朋友送给我的. This is what my friend from Colombia gave me as a present. 他说那边一直下雨. We cannot know from the context if her friend is male or female, so we just write ta. So he or she says, over there, always rains. 那边 and 那边 is the same thing.
他不会关的，这是我哥伦比亚的朋友送给我的。他说那边一直下雨。
那如果你的朋友是 IT 的，雨伞会打不开吗？
哎呀，那边不会有雨伞，你真傻。
哎
I ask, 那如果你的朋友是 IG 的 Well, if your friend is from IG. IG, that means Egypt. 雨伞会打不开吗？ The umbrella will 打不开。打开 means to open. So, 雨伞会打不开吗？ The umbrella will not open. She replies, 那边不会有雨伞。Over there, 不会 is will not. 有 is there are. Umbrellas. In proper English, over there won't be umbrellas. She says, 你真瞎 You really 瞎 瞎 means stupid or dumb.
那如果你的朋友是 IT 的，雨伞会打不开吗？
哎呀，那边不会有雨伞，你真傻。
哎，我想问一下，明天的天气怎么样？
明天会下雪，而且会刮风，挺厉害的。
哎呀，见到没？
I say, 我想问一下 I want to ask, 明天的天气怎么样 The weather of tomorrow, what is it like? She says, 明天会下雪 Tomorrow will 下雪 You have already seen the word for the noun snow, 雪 The verb to ski in Chinese, that was to glide on the snow, or 滑雪 But here we see 下雪 That means the snow going down, or the verb to snow. She says, 而且会刮风 Additionally, it will 刮风 刮风 literally means the wind is blowing. In English we would say to be windy. She says, 挺厉害的 quite extreme.
怎么样？
明天会下雪，而且会刮风，挺厉害的。
哎呀，见到没？
怎么啦？
就是明天，我想跟我的一个老朋友去钓鱼。
I say, 见到没 really 倒霉 倒霉 that means bad luck. She asks, 怎么了 What's wrong? I say, 就是我想跟我的一个老朋友去钓鱼 That is, I want with my one old friend to go 钓鱼钓鱼 that means to fish fish. In English just to fish.
挺厉害的。
哎呀，见到没？
怎么啦？
就是明天，我想跟我的一个老朋友去钓鱼。
没事儿。
什么意思？
鱼不怕雪，也不怕风。哎呀，你这个笨蛋，我先走了，拜拜。
再见。
She says, 没事儿 It's nothing, no problem. I say, 什么意思 Literally, this means what meaning. In English, what do you mean? She replies, 鱼不怕雪，也不怕风。The fish don't 怕 snow, also don't 怕风。The verb 害怕 or just 怕 means to be afraid. She says, 你这个笨蛋 You this stupid egg. 我要先走了 I must go. She says, bye bye. I say, 再见.
没事儿。
什么意思？
鱼不怕雪，也不怕风。哎呀，你这个笨蛋，我先走了，拜拜。
再见。
Before you go on, please press the pause button and say out loud what these 3 characters mean. Right, now I will show you the dialogue once more, but this time without subtitles.
哎，安婷
嗨，奥利弗，好久不见。
啊，你干嘛带着雨伞呢？天气这么好。
因为下午会下雨呀。
那它为什么开着呢？
啊，它不会关的，这是我哥伦比亚的朋友送给我的。他说那边一直下雨。
那如果你的朋友是 IT 的，雨伞会打不开吗？
哎呀，那边不会有雨伞，你真傻。
哎，我想问一下，明天的天气怎么样？
明天会下雪，而且会刮风，挺厉害的。
哎呀，见到没？
怎么啦？
就是明天，我想跟我的一个老朋友去钓鱼。
没事儿。
什么意思？
鱼不怕雪，也不怕风。哎呀，你这个笨蛋，我先走了，拜拜。
再见。
You can find all the lessons on the website ChineseWithOliver.com.